In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix uneven eyes by using the clone stamp tool in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're working on portrait photography or simply looking to refine a personal photo, this technique can make a significant difference in achieving a balanced facial appearance. So let's dive in and explore each step carefully, ensuring you achieve the best results possible. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Begin by adding the image you want to edit. You'll do this by clicking on File in the top menu, selecting Open, and then navigating through your files to locate the image you'd like to work on. Once your image is loaded, you'll be ready to begin the editing process. Next, we need to access the Clone Stamp tool, which is integral to fixing uneven eyes. You can find this tool on the left-hand side of your Photoshop interface or by simply pressing the S key on your keyboard. For those who are new to this tool, it allows you to duplicate parts of an image by painting over another part. Now, to make this process even more precise, let's set up our workspace by going to Window in the top menu, then selecting Clone Source. This will bring up a panel that provides additional options for your clone stamp tool. To ensure the cloning effect appears natural, you're going to click on the vertical icon, allowing you to clone in other directions, which can help in achieving a symmetrical look. This option allows for greater flexibility and precision when matching details from one side of the face to the other. Now, choose the eye that looks more symmetrical as your reference. Holding the Alt key on your keyboard, click on the area you'd like to clone. This action will select your source point. Keep in mind that you want to select an area that will blend well when applied to the uneven area you're correcting. Once you've set your source, release the Alt key, and now you can start the cloning process. Carefully paint over the uneven area, adjusting the size and softness of your brush as needed to match the texture of the cloned area to the rest of the image. It's crucial here to take your time, using small brush strokes and frequently evaluating your progress to maintain a natural look. As you continue to clone, zooming in helps in ensuring that every small detail is attended to correctly. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Use the Undo option found under Edit in the top menu or simply press Ctrl+Z to go back one step. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've balanced out the uneven eyes, enhancing the overall symmetry of your portrait with the Clone Stamp tool in Photoshop. Thanks for watching and happy editing.